You're welcome in your maths and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove the step deviation method. Here I have written xi instead of di. Sorry for that. I will correct it. Let's go. The proof is very logical, so don't skip the video. Now here di is what? That is xi minus a. And what is a? Any value of the observation. So let 25 be a. Now for the first observations class, xi is 15 and a is 25. So 15 minus 25 is minus 10. So di is minus 10. Now pause the video and try to calculate the remaining one and match it. Hopefully you get it right. Now the direct method to calculate the mean is summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi, and I have already proved it in my previous video. Now let's try to find out the different way to writing the same summation of fi into xi. First of all, rewrite our formula which we have to derive. So here is the mistake which I have told you. So let's correct it. Here it's di. Now try to know that there is only one method to calculate the mean, that is direct method. So anyhow we have to multiply fi into xi. For the first observations class it's 2 into 15, but what we have done here, we multiply di with fi. So fi into di we have done here, which is 2 into minus 10 for the first observations class. So here it's fi into di. Remember, I will only considering first class. Now to calculate the mean we need fi into xi, and 2 is what? Fi of the first observations class. Now open it, you get fi into xi minus fi into a is equal to fi into di, and for calculating the mean you need fi into xi. So fi into xi from here is fi into di plus fi into a, and this fi into xi is valid for all observations, but we need to sum it. So summation of fi into xi is what? Summation of fi into di plus summation of fi into a, and that's the expression we need. Now let's verify it for the first observations class. So we have done here xi minus a, which is 15 minus 25 is equal to minus 10, and you have multiplied 2, that is frequency, and you get 30 minus 50 is equal to minus 20, and 30 is what? That's fi into xi for the first observations class, and which is equal to minus 20 plus 50, and minus 20 is what? Fi into di for the first class, and 50 is what? Fi into a, and 30 is fi into xi for the first class, and it's valid for all observations class. And for summation of fi into xi you need to do the summation in the RHS as well. Now you know that mean formula is summation of fi into xi upon summation of fi. Now summation of fi into xi you can write summation of fi into di plus summation of fi into a upon summation of fi. Now you can write summation of fi into di upon summation of fi plus summation of fi. From here cancel, and it's a only. And yeah, you have proved it. Hopefully you get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe.